Hey everyone, so it's a mini vlog with me. I got up early today because we have a shoot due. I reached at the location, it is Shafak and Kami studio. So I changed my dress, had my coffee, and the process started like around 12:30. So we wore my lens. और ये बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए लेंस पहनना. Then I got my nails done from this girl or pair, just waiting for the Shafak to come and start my makeup. So she started, we are done with the base and stuff, and now she is just building up. Eye makeup was done. After that, blush and lips are done. Now it's for time for hairdo. So I literally love this hairdo. It's like a vibe of 90s और बहुत मज़े की एक vibe आ रही थी. Like I really enjoyed this hairstyle, whereas my hair are very less from the crown area, but still they managed to do something with it. So we are ready. We were waiting for the photographer, and after the shoot I just got my hair washed, makeup removed. I just like I can't bear it. And that was all for the day. Ended my day with a cup of coffee, much needed, and some packing. Allah Hafiz.